The relation between acceleration, velocity and time. Specification point 1.6. Know and use the relationship between acceleration, change in velocity, and time took. Acceleration equals change in velocity. Time taken equals v minus u t. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. In other words, how much the velocity of an object changes by every second. Acceleration is given by the equation, where u is the initial velocity of an object and vis its final velocity, equals v minus u t, where u is the initial velocity of an object and v is its final velocity. You can rearrange this equation with the help of the formula triangle. Use the formula triangle to help you rearrange the equation. The units of acceleration are meter per square second, which means the same thing as meter per second per second. The change in velocity in meter per second every second. There are two types acceleration. A positive acceleration means the change in velocity is in the same direction as the velocity, therefore, the speed is increasing. Negative acceleration means the change in velocity is in the opposite direction to the velocity, therefore, the speed is decreasing. Negative acceleration is also known as deceleration or retardation.